Why do I always lose a bet? What's good, nation, man? Today I'm gonna be answering that question with the brand new strategy that I have been working on. So I have foolproofed, checked, back tested this new strategy, and I've got proof for you. So without further ado or wasting your time, the strategy is very simple. It's a booking strategy, your fulmination. So what you do is, maybe like tomorrow Bayern and Villarreal are playing, you know what I'm saying, but I would not advise this strategy for heated matches because it's booking. So what you do is you go to your bookings tab, your fulmination. So I don't want to waste your time. I'm gonna be showing you the proof in exactly about 5 seconds as soon as I show you where to find the strategy. So you go to your bookings tab, your fulmination. So you will see something that says first half bookings, you feel me. So this market is not available for these teams, you feel me, nation. So I don't think it's available for UEFA. I'm not too sure, or maybe let me quickly check, nation. I really want to show you the strategy. So it's called first half bookings, you feel me, nation. It should be available in Serie A. Let me quickly show you. So what you do is you decide how many bookings they are going to be in the first half of a match. Maybe you have a match where Spezia is playing with Inter Milan. So what you do is you first do your analysis and you see in the first half how many bookings are normally there, you fulmination. So you first check, verify, you feel me. I use SofaScore, man, to verify. You check for the first half bookings. It's easy, like, okay, I don't think they've made the bookings available yet for, I don't understand what's going on with the game. So other than that, nation, it's called the first half booking. So if I use my word document over here, so you can see, you go to your bookings and it's called like this one, it's called first half over under bookings. Like here I chose under 1.4 1.5 fulmination, so we came through. Same here, I chose under 2.5 bookings in the first half for Sevilla and Granada. It came through. Here I chose Bayern Munich versus Villarreal, the first match, the first leg. I said under 1.5, you feel me? So we came through. And these tickets are for the VIP group. This one, as you can see, nation, the 11th of April, man, we just won this ticket in the VIP group. I encourage all of you, man. My WhatsApp number is gonna be in the description of the video. WhatsApp me, man. Join the VIP group. We late. So these are the tickets that we won, you fulmination, using the under 1.5 strategy. I'm giving you the strategy for free. It's very easy, nation. Especially in Premier League game. If two games that normally don't produce bookings, you feel me, like if Man City is playing with another game, you just say under 1.5, but you first have to verify, you feel me. Don't just go there and say under 1.5 without verifying, you feel me. This, nation, are the results of our VIP group. You can also go to the community tab of this channel. Like, you see, man, the VIP group is very late, man. I advise all of you to join, you feel me. So I quickly wanna see, because tomorrow we have games playing, right? So what I don't understand is, let's try why won't they allow us to get the book fulmination? Maybe I first have to log in with my account. Hopefully some of you all get it right. It's there, it's in the bookings tab. As you can see, I'm currently facing a problem recording this video. I want to show